What's up? I run the account Vintage Thrifts on Depop, and I usually sell stuff on Depop, but I also buy a lot on Depop. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in this package, do a little unboxing, and yeah. And you can also check out my page. I'll show it here, and I'll also show the page of the person who sold me this, so you can go check out their page too if you want to buy anything. Some scissors, this is tough to open. There we go, never mind. Didn't even need scissors. Alright. So as you can see, this is how you should send a package. It's extremely well wrapped. It's gift wrapped. And they left a note here. Oh, this is dope. They actually sent me a free hat, which is pretty cool. Even though I only ordered a t-shirt, they sent me a free hat as well. So, quick pro tip, if you're a Depop seller, always throw in free item. I usually throw in stickers and candy, but this person threw in a free hat, which is pretty dope. So yeah. And they also gift wrap that too. So always be sure to gift wrap your items. It makes it a lot more presentable. And so this is what I actually ordered. So I ordered this THRASHER. It was pretty cheap, and I have a few like Thrasher pieces, but I just like this design because it was more unique than the other ones. So I thought it was pretty dope. It smells really good too. A quick tip: if you're a Depop seller, is always wash your items before you send them. I've gotten stuff before that smells really terrible, and this smells really good. So it's very noticeable when you unbox it. So it's a quick tip, and they also left me a custom note, which is a huge tip if you want to get 5-star reviews. So I'll be showing this person's page if you want to buy from them. They put a lot of care into their packages, so yeah, thanks to them. And if you want to see more Depop videos or thrifting videos, make sure to like and subscribe on this video, because that's usually the type of videos that I'm doing. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.